Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. I've got a really cool video today. We're going to be reviewing the Fulaim X5 wireless microphone system, pairing it up with the Insta360 X3 and the X-Mount 360, which is the mic adapter mount for the X3. Now, this microphone is really great. I've been testing it for the last few weeks and working out the best settings. So currently, we're doing our wind test right now. How does that sound to you? Hopefully it is really good, because every other test I've done, it has worked a treat. So let's head back to the office. Let's talk about this microphone system and let's see if it's worth it to you.
All right guys, we're back in the studio now. Now I'm going to show you how to connect the Fulaim X5 wireless microphones to the Insta360 X3, and then how I set it up and the settings that you need to set with your X3 and the Fulaim X5s to get the best quality audio. Okay guys, it is super simple to set up. First, you need a few things. You need the microphone adapter for the Insta360 X3, and you need one of the greatest mounts that I have ever used is the X-Mount 360. Now this is a microphone mount for the X3. It was made to fit the Rode microphone systems, but it actually fits on the Fulaim X5 and works a damn good treat. It also comes with the cable that you need to connect the microphones. So simply as just like with every other mount for Insta360, you line up the 1/4 inch hole with the X3, get your invisible selfie stick and just screw it in just like that. You also need to remove the power door. So that's simply just lift up and pull out, and that disconnects. Then you can connect your Insta360 X3 microphone adapter, clip in and push in, done like that. Get your receiver, then simply just mounts up just beautifully. As you can see, it's inside that stitch line as well. And then you just get the cord, plug it into your X3 and then into the Fulaim X5 wireless microphone system, and then we're good to go. Once you have turned it on, you can see that it's connected. Now we need to set up the settings for it. So on the X5, dB level set at 3. So all it is just a press of a button just here to adjust those dB levels, and I love the audio that comes out of it at 3. So once we've done that, connect it back to our mount, plug it in, and then we want to go to our settings. And to simply do that, you just swipe down, head to settings, and then we want to go to external mic. Now I have it set at -12 dB. That is the best that I have found, with +3 on the Fulaim X5, and then you're going to get great quality audio out of your Insta360 X3 and the Fulaim X5.
All right, now we're connected to the X3 with the Fulaim X5 wireless microphone. Now, how great does this audio sound? Now, I'm in my studio with no noise whatsoever. And what does it sound like to you? I've still got my Canon R10 on, but how does it sound to you when in this environment? I'm just only in single lens 4K mode on the X3. As I said, my X3 gains are put at -12 and I am +3 on the Fulaim X5. Now, the best part about this Fulaim X5 microphone system is that it has a magnetic back. You can clip it onto your shirt no matter where you are. Now, it has a couple of great features. So it has a built-in storage function that prevents audio frames dropping, loss, and other issues. So you can simply just set it up by pressing the set button here, the yellow button here, and holding it down for 2 seconds, and it will start to record. It has up to 4 GB of storage space in each of the lavalier microphones. Now that is so much storage that you're never going to run out. And then you simply can just connect that via the data cable to your computer and then download that audio. When you open the charging case, it automatically turns on the receivers and the transmitter straight away for you, so you don't have to worry about switching it on or off. And when you close it, it will automatically turn them off and start charging again. It has up to 18 hours of battery life in one go. With one single charge, you get 6 hours of running time with one microphone. So that's 2 microphones, 18 hours of charge that you have. You also have mono and stereo outputs and a safe track of -6 dB on the left-hand channel, just in case you do lose audio or something goes wrong. You do have a safety net there when recording. It connects to all the iPhones through the lightning jack, and also Android phones and the new iPhone 15 that has a USB-C type port. Okay guys, well, as you can see, I'm going to spin us around right now, and you can see that everything is hidden in the stitch line on the Fulaim X5 with the Insta360 X3, and here we go. It has been a joy to use the Fulaim X5 wireless microphone. I absolutely love the sound quality that you get out of this microphone, and it is so versatile. You can connect it to your phone, you can connect it to your GoPros, you can connect it to DJI Action 4s. I can even connect it to my big Canon camera. It sounds absolutely amazing, and it is the best budget microphone that I have used that is so versatile in a long time, and I have got a lot of different microphones. If you want to pick one of these up, there'll be a link below that you can do so. Everything else that I use, you can pick links up to. If you want to pick up an X3, there'll be a link below that you can use that. That will take you to the Insta360 store. That is my affiliated link, and you will get a free gift as well. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. It would mean the world to me. Hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any upcoming videos. And until next time, guys, I'm Colin from OColin out.